Hi, today we are gonna see about modal verb of adjective with prepositions. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, giving more information about its qualities, characteristics, or attributes. Adjectives can indicate size, color, shape, quantity, quality, or any other aspect that helps to provide a clearer picture or understanding of the noun or pronoun they are modifying. For example, in the phrase, the big house, big is the adjective describing the noun house. Adjectives can be used to compare things, comparative and superlative forms, and they can also be used attributively, before a noun, or predicatively, after a linking verb. Let's see some example. First one is excited about. She is excited about the upcoming concert. The adjective excited describes the feeling of anticipation or enthusiasm. The preposition about introduces the subject of excitement, which is the upcoming concert. Next. Proud of. He is proud of his daughter's achievements. The adjective proud expresses a sense of satisfaction or honor. The preposition of indicates the source or reason for pride, which is his daughter's achievements. Next. Curious about. The children are curious about what's inside the box. The adjective curious conveys an eager desire to know or learn something. The preposition about introduces the subject of curiosity, which is what's inside the box. Next. Tired of. I am tired of studying for exams. The adjective tired indicates exhaustion or weariness. The preposition of specifies the cause of tiredness, which is studying for exams. Next. Worried about. They are worried about their friend's safety. The adjective worried signifies concern or anxiety. The preposition about introduces the object of worry, which is their friend's safety. Next. Fond of. She is fond of chocolate ice cream. The adjective fond expresses affection or liking. The preposition of indicates the object of fondness, which is chocolate ice cream. Next. Annoyed with. He is annoyed with his noisy neighbors. The adjective annoyed describes a feeling of irritation or frustration. The preposition with specifies the cause of annoyance, which is his noisy neighbors. Next. Bored with. They are bored with watching the same movie again. The adjective bored suggests a lack of interest or excitement. The preposition with introduces the object of boredom, which is watching the same movie again. Next. Impressed by. I am impressed by her artistic skills. The adjective impressed indicates admiration or respect. The preposition by introduces the subject of impression, which is her artistic skills. Next. Disappointed with. She was disappointed with the service at the restaurant. The adjective disappointed expresses a feeling of dissatisfaction or letdown. The preposition with specifies the cause of disappointment, which is the service at the restaurant. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.